talking about Hargeisa, Bur'o, all over Somaliland. When we are educated, when we are well brought up, we will go back to our city and our homeland, and we will live there. And when we,
As the presidential campaigns wind up, there is strong talk of the possibility of a change of guard. No mean feat for this state. President Kahin says he will have no regrets if he loses the elections.
I believe I've made a sacrifice for this country to the continuity of the system, and also doing another security, empowering the security, training the security people in neighboring countries, so that the standard of our security will get up. So I think I have done more than I can.
Mohamed Silanyo, the leader of Somaliland's main opposition Kulmiye party, who poses the most formidable challenge to President Kahin's rule. Having lost out by a mere 80 votes in the last presidential elections, Silanyo feels it now the time to claim the top post, with his the loudest voice calling for change.
So many things have gone wrong. There has not been much in the way of development. There has not been much in the way of strengthening relations with the international community, and so many other things, and all the different needs of the nation.
The Party for Justice and Social Welfare, or it, the country's second largest opposition party, has also been attracting a huge
vision of Islam, of every Muslim leader, to protect Islam. And if he's the ruler of Islam, he has to use Sharia, and that's what we are doing.